Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today I have another promotional unboxing of GBFKE. Okay, but before that, if you like what you see, subscribe and join to support the channel for giveaways. And I have two Facebook page. One is going to be open on December, and I have another one that is beaded and stamp cross stitch. So if you're interested, one is for diamond painting. That's an event Facebook page that I have. Okay, so let's start. Let's open this package. I don't have that much strength, so I'm gonna open it like this. Let's see what we got over here. We got we got 3 diamond paintings. So I thought we could do 2 videos, but we can take care of this here on this video. So we have a real long one, or a big sucker like I call it. A 60 by 50 is not a big sucker. But we got these 2, and we got this one. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, let's do this one first. So how is everybody doing? I'm doing better on my hands. I still struggle, but we gotta move on. We cannot, let the struggle overcome you. Sometimes overwhelms you, but you cannot let it overcome you. Let me change something in the light over here. Excuse me, boys, girls. And here we are. Okay, let me throw this away because I tend to this is one that I liked that I don't think I have. Here is the drills. They are very well packed. This is a 40 by 50. You get the toolkit, like the pen, a big chunk of wax, and the boat where you can do the drill. If you're new to diamond painting, you'll be able to do this. This has a lot of creases. Let me see. It has 23 colors. It's a landscape, as you can see. Okay, here it is. It's around, yeah, it's around because we see the package. It has a lot of details though, and that's why it's a 40 by 50. It's a 40 by 50. Here is the thumbnail. Let's see if you can get a hold of this. If you can see it. Okay. The canvas is soft, and if you can see, it has some glitter on it. Let me see. The canvas has some glitter on it. It's a sparkly. Take a look at that. Okay. The drill field is good. The only thing that I would like to see is this bold in white. It would have been much better. You still have to use the light pad though on this one, but probably won't if you had these on bold white letters. I'm trying to straighten it out. I love Lighthouse. Many of you know that I like Lighthouses because of I like Lighthouses because of the reminder of my grandmother. And this is a place that I could live. You got the sailboat and everything, and the house. There's some details in the house. Let's see how these look. Okay, it's 23 color. They have the DMC code, and they're just letters. They're just letters on it. Okay, here are the colors. I'm not gonna take them out. But I just want you to see here the colors, the different colors. It's mostly muted, but you have some nice colors in there because it's a sea beach theme. Okay. And let me see if I can grab one of this. Let me grab this green. Yeah, they have nice nice and flat. And they're sealed, vacuum sealed. That's what is good. The only thing I wish is that the bag will have the number of the canvas. Let me see. Yes, it's a number over here, 82917. Yeah. But to make sure I don't go crazy when I'm looking for it, let me see if I can find. Here it is. Because I put the drill separate from the canvas. Okay, so that's the first one. I don't want to take too much time on this. We have 3 and one of them is big. I'm trying to. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to this one. This one, let's see, because it looks like it has a number over here. No. They just have it, but I don't keep this. I don't put them back. This one has 24 colors. Also mostly muted colors. This probably is another landscape. Oh, here it is, the standard toolkit. And this one is around, but look how it came in. Those little 200 bags, which honestly, this is past overdue for getting up to date. Oh, another lighthouse. Oh yes, I went crazy with the lighthouse. This one I like it because it's kind of retro, or you know, it evokes the glove doesn't let me really stretch it out real good. This one has 24 colors, and if you can see, they're all muted. Oh yeah, I like this one. I love this one. Yeah, the theme today is lighthouses. They have a whole bunch of lighthouses. Beautiful, gorgeous. I hope I could do any event. Okay, and you have the Kikos on both sides. This is a 40 by 40. Okay, this doesn't qualify for the medium square because this is too small. I want to challenge people. I like to challenge people. I like it because it evokes all the time or much simpler time. And I'm sorry for the glare, guys. Let's take a look at this. Let me see the glue is good, very good. The key code is, you can see it, but again, in these dark areas, GBFKE, you need to show white bold for those areas. Okay. It has a lot of detail. This is another place that I would love to live. In a place like this, it evokes a much simpler time, and I'm not gonna get these ones out of here because honestly it doesn't oh my god, you can see there's gonna be a lot of muted color because it is like evoking the past. Here they are. There's some color in there for the flowers, especially the orangey ones. And this one also deserves to have the number on the canvas on it, because otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. 2149. So this is a nice neat one. I like it because it evokes another time. Okay, let me put it aside and let's go with this big one, the bigger one of all of them. It's not a big sucker because I already saw the size at 60 by 50. Has to be a 65. Here you get 2 toolkits this time. Okay. Let me put those somewhere. These ones are bagged, and this one, let me check. This one does have the canvas number B3744. This one, which is this one. And this one has some nice wintry color because it's a winter theme. Yeah, another lighthouse. It's lighthouse day. 24 colors. I like this one. I should do this one in the winter. I'm sorry, I'm taking a long time with this, but it's the gloves. I like this one. Although it's a very dark one. But it's a wintry like, which that's where we're going. That's where we're going. Take a look at this. good sticking glue. This one at least has more white on the letters. You can see it better. Let me show you. On the drill fill. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. I'm sorry for the glare, guys. Yeah, here you go. It's a clear drill fill. And I like it because it has that, well, it's a Christmassy because you got 2 Christmas tree over here. But you got the lighthouse and you got the snow on the ground and the house on the side. Oh, that's so neat. And you have a nice shiny star over here, which we can put a sliver in there. Let's take a look at the colors, but I'm not gonna take them out of the package, okay? So it's 60. It has the key code on both sides, and it also has letter and the DMC code. So they should be, that's good, no confusion. Okay. Here it is. A lot of blues because of the winter theme. Let's look at this purple. My God, this seal, vacuum seal, which is good because you avoid the static, right? And they're already bagged, but I just want you to see what such a beautiful array of winter colors in there. So this is the lighthouse. And it has the B3744, which is what we have over here. Okay? Well, thank you for watching. This is it for today on bagging of promotional items from GBFKE. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Pretty soon there'll be a video explaining the new rules for the Big Soccer Canvas 2023 and the Medium Square Canvas 2023. Things are gonna change a little bit, but you know, everything's gonna be fine. Thank you so much, and much love and peace to all of you. Bye.